Good morning, students. Now, in the previous class, we were studying about the one of the landform. Is it? That is about the desert. You have mountains, plains, desert, plateaus, coastal areas, highlands. Among that, we were studying about the desert. Also, a desert is a large area of land which is covered with sand and which receives very less rainfall or no rainfall, and it is been located, and great Indian desert is been located in western side of northern plains, and it is the other name for the great Indian desert is western desert, Thar desert, and it is mainly lies in the state of Rajasthan. And as the loose sand is going to blow away through it because of the strong winds, it forms hills, and these hills called sand dunes. What do we call sand dunes? And here, as there is a less rainfall, the river Luni is the only seasonal river that flows through Great Indian Desert. And during coming to the climate and vegetation, we saw during summer the desert will be hot and night will be pleasant. And here, hot and dry winds are also common. And which are the trees they grow or the plants which they grow in desert in the sense one is the date palm, cactus, kikar, and bubble because these plants requires very less water. So all those things we studied in the previous class. And in today's class, we will be studying about life in Great Indian Desert. How the life of the people is there in the state of Rajasthan and the other borders which is been covered by it. And how the people in the desert area is are living. In today's class, we are going to study the today's topic. So, students, coming to the today's topic, that is life in Great Indian Desert. How the life in Great Indian Desert are there? Lifestyle. First of all, we should know the meaning of lifestyle. Lifestyle refers to the way of living. So India is basically unity in diversity, and different states represent different language, religion, culture, dressing style, food habits, festival, all those things. One among is interesting and very different is that is Rajasthan and the two the desert region. So different region have different lifestyle based on the climate, weather, their culture, food habits, religion, practices, is it? So different regions will have different lifestyle. How this lifestyle of the people will be there in the Great Indian Desert, we will see one by one. First is coming to the clothes. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಜನ, ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಜನ ಹೇಗೆ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಜೀವನ ಹೇಗೆ ಇದೆ ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಬಾಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅವರು ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯಗಳು, ಊಟ, ಆಚಾರ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು, ಅವ್ರು ತೊಡುವಂಥ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳು, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡುವಂಥ ಭಾಷೆಗಳು, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ, ಉದ್ಯೋಗ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಖಾದ್ಯ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಜನಜೀವನ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್. ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್, ವಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಥವಾ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಧರಿಸ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಸೊ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವೇರ್ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್. In this area, in this region, the people wear colorful clothes. And traditional clothes of people of a great Indian desert includes dhoti and kurta, and turban for men, and gagra choli and odini for women. ಧೋತಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕುರ್ತಾ ಗಂಡಸರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಧೋತಿ ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಕುರ್ತಾನ ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ, ಮತ್ತು ತಲೆಗೆ ಪೇಟವನ್ನು ಸುತ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಟರ್ಬನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದ ಪೇಟ. Next, Gagra Choli. Gagra Choli is not one top. Women will be wearing one top and with a long skirt. That is Gagra Choli and Odini for women. And this Gagra is a long skirt, and on that they will wear a top, which is filled with the mirror works or the stone work and the colorful designs. And they are also uses the colorful ornaments, gemstones, gemstud gold and silver. So I said they wear colorful dresses, is it? So men will be wearing the dhoti and the kurta and the turban on the head, and women will be wearing the long skirt gagra with a top. This is a traditional dress of Rajasthan which they wear in the desert region, that is Rajasthan. So students, now children, now coming to the languages. First we saw the clothes. How the clothes they are wearing for the men and the women. What are the different kinds of clothes? Now coming to the languages. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಭಾಷೆನ ಇವರು ಮೇನಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನಿ, ಮಾರ್ವಾರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ. ಯಾವ ಭಾಷೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನಿ, ಮಾರ್ವಾರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಇಯರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಸ್, ಈಗ ನಾವೇನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯಾ ಆಯಾ ರಿಲಿಜನ್ ತಕ್ಕನಾಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಹಬ್ಬಗಳ ಆಚರಣೆಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಈ ಜನಗಳು ಸಹ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತೀಸ್, ಗಾಂಗರ್, GANGAUR ಗಾಂಗರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ 3 ಮೇನ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ರೀಜನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ್. So Tej andre, this is a festival which is celebrated during the monsoon season. It is primarily celebrated by the girls and the women, and they perform dance and they pray songs and they do prayer on the third day of Indian month of Shravana Mas. So in this Tej we have different Tej, Haryali, Kajari, ಹರ್ತಾಲಿಕಾ, ಈ ಥರ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತೀಜ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಸಹ ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗಾಂಗರ್, ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಗಾಂಗರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ the people of this region celebrate children. This festival is being celebrated in the name of Gauri goddess, to worship, they worship Gauri, wife of Lord Shiva, during the month of March or April, around 16 days. And it is generally celebrated during the harvest season, and the women who not got married, they do puja in order to get married, and the women who has got married, they do prayer for the well-being of the family and the family members. So these are the importance of celebrating the festivals of the Tees and Gangar. Now coming to the desert festival. How like in the Kerala, how they celebrate boat race in Kerala. In Karnataka, we celebrate Dasara, and during some festival we keep competition also. Is it? In the same way, these desert festivals is also one of the one they keep